Hello, good afternoon. This week we have learned about loop, which is chapter 5 content, and we are going to make a short video about this, what we have learned, what were the mistakes, what was the content of the course for this week, a summary about the chapters. So the chapter was about loop, and we have learned about three type of loops, which is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Each and every one has a different condition and different usage. Let me tell you about for loop, like, or why we are using loop. So let's say you're writing a program and trying to have some words repeated so many times, like 1 2 3 400 200, so many times, and instead of copying the system.out print line and blah blah blah, so it's important to use the loop, so it will help you save the space, and also it will give you like if you want to change any condition on that text, or that text you want to print out, so you can just change the main part of the loop and everything should be fine. For example, like let's say I want to write down 10 times welcome to Highline College, or I'm studying at Highline, or like what is your name, whatever. So I can use loop for that, instead of like printing out each time. So the way we are using this is we just put in code, like by defining an integer, like let's say integer count is equal 0, and then while it's raised to 10, then stop it, or something like that. So we do this way, and that's how we are using the loop. And regarding the video content on the lectures for this week, yeah, they were awesome, and I have seen those videos very helpful, which is well explained, and we yeah, look, each part of the course was well explained. That's good. We have some problem with the canvas. I mean, like all the other contents are not well organized, but regarding the videos and the content of the course, yeah, they are awesome, and it's well explained. And the difficult part for this week was I didn't understand well about the nested loop or something like that. It's inner outer, there was like, so it was kind of confusing to me. So maybe if you have something already in the list, I'm not sure, maybe I didn't went through all of the contents of the course, but yeah. And so the whole part this week was about loop, and we have three type of loops, which is for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and each and every one have its own place to use. And again, it's helpful to use repetition of some printed out codes. So it's a lot helpful to use it instead of like printing one word so many times and just taking space, or like making it hard for you to do programming, and you want to change something, like you have to go through all the coding. So it's better to use loop for that. All right, that's all. That's what we have learned this week, and thank you so much.